namin di kami titilan eh. Pero ano, nandito rin naman kami sa stage, di ba? Ito na, wait guys. Ako nga pala si Nims, and
I'm Nigel.
And we are Better Days. And we're really thankful to everyone sa team ng Megan Ryan for having us here. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga bumuo. For the movie, the team, Pocket Media Productions Inc., starring Rian Ramos and JC Santos, of course, and directed by the one and only Catherine Camarillo. Executive produced by Sir Eric Camarillo and written by Manay Gina Tagasa. And actually, ever since I was young, isa na talaga sa mga bucket list kong mag-OST sa isang movie. So thank you very much for fulfilling that dream of mine. Do you have anything to say, guys?
Hello, we're so happy to be here. We're so excited. Baka di nyo nahalata, pero actually, sobrang nervous ko ngayon. Sobrang daming sikat na dumaan na napapanood natin. So parang, uy, grabe, we're in the same event and we're playing the OST for the movie na Megan Ryan, and to be able to share the same space, napaka-surreal lang ng experience. So thank you so much ulit sa buong team ng Pocket Media Productions and sa lahat ng mga patuloy na sumusuporta sa film, sa Filipino film.
And nilapitan kami actually mismo na nagsulat ng song na ito, and may blessing kami ng Moonstar. So so happy. We're really happy. So we got approached to make our own rendition of this song, and I hope you guys enjoy it.
Hope you guys enjoy. Bantayan nyo mamaya, pakinggan nyo mamaya pag kung saan mang part yun ng movie, di pa namin napapanood, di din namin alam kung saan patutugtog yan. Pero
pag tumagtog siyo kayo, uy, Better Days!
This is our own rendition of Turete for Megan Ryan's OST. Enjoy. Pipilit sa'yo kahit isip ko'y turete sa'yo.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much once again. Your Better Days. Stream niyo yung single. After niyo panoorin yung film, stream yung single namin, Torrente, our rendition. And then, see you later sa loob ng cinema. Thank you so much. Ayan.